I'm gonna show you guys the cigarette lighter fuse location. So if this is not working, your fuse might be blown, and this is the first thing you should check to fix it. So this video should apply to 2014 through 2019 Toyota Corollas. So the location is actually underneath the steering wheel. So we're gonna go under the car here, and here is the box. You just pry it open. And there is a diagram on the box, but if you don't want to read that, the fuse that you're looking for is this one, this 15 amp fuse that I'm pointing to. Okay, if you just wanted to know the fuse location, then you're done, goodbye. But if you actually want to know how to change the fuse, then stick around. Okay, so the good news about fixing the fuse if it's broken is that everything is included in your car. So we're gonna go underneath the hood, and if you pop up in the fuse box, it's over here on the right side. The fuse opening tool is located right there. So I already took it out, but I'm just showing you guys. It's gonna be right there, and then this 15 amp fuse over here is a spare, so you can use it and it won't hurt anything. The manufacturer provides you it for free. Okay, armed with your fuse puller and your spare fuse, we're gonna go inside the car again and pull out the fuse that I showed you earlier. So using the fuse puller is pretty simple. You just stick it in there like a pliers and you pull out the fuse. And once you have that fuse out, you can make sure that it is a problem by looking at it closely and comparing it to the image of a blown fuse as shown. So once you've made sure that it is the fuse that is blown, then you go and grab the spare fuse that we pulled out, and then you stick it in there as shown, and that should be it. After that, you just put your cover back on and you're done with the job.